Alright guys, now we're gonna go down to the train level. These old music speakers up there. Yep, I know. And there's the walkway level to Terminal D over there. Not sure if we're gonna film that today. Oh, it sounds like the train's coming. Oh, we better hurry quick. Yeah. Oh, it's arriving!
Awesome.
Epic.
Your next stop will be Terminal C. Usted se encuentra en la terminal D y E. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada
looks like there might be two people too.
D.
I wonder which car should we take. I think we should probably take the middle car. Yeah.
Make sure you keep your camera
In the ceiling, yeah.
or out the front.
I can get at this. Yep, I can get a view of this train station from here.
Mm-hmm.
You are at Terminal D and E. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal C. Usted se encuentra en la terminal D y E. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal C.
And just to let everybody know, this is my first video that I'm doing on my new phone. It's an iPhone 5. Oh yeah, 6. Sorry. Now both of the trains are arriving.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel. Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
You wanted to switch cars? Where do you want to stay? Oh, okay, because, I was just wondering if in case it gets a little crowded in here.
I had Chan in there for a while for about 2 years. Her and Manny got the apartment.
Yeah.
And she moved out 2 months later. Jamie moved in. I told her to come in the same class. So I split the rent. I didn't have to worry about having some goofy highway.
At least you know the person anyway, so you work with him. You know where to work, so you can hunt him down. I'm not kidding you. This is what I used to do.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel. Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
So I know where to work. I know where to work. I'll find them. Why would they make it harder for me to find them? the operational manager. His job is to make sure that the operational flow of the in-flights coming and outgoing is smooth. The operation between us and United and the gate agents are smooth. The operation between the maintenance and catering with us is good. So all the entities that we have that makes us our flight preparer to fly, he makes sure that they're synchronized smoothly.
But he doesn't worry about if there's a flight attendant.
That's
on
not
the
his
plane.
no,
Base.
crew,
That's
yeah. Anything with the crew personnel, it will be crew tracking, and then of course base captain. Yeah, and then of course you also have the chief pilot. Chief pilot deals like what was his name? Garden? John Garden? Yeah, he dealt with pilot issues. The reason John Garden is gone is because he got into it with a flight attendant. Yeah, the flight attendant argument. Yeah. He walked in the room and he was having a bad day. That was one of those bad days. And, he's a really nice guy. He walked into the room and he asked the flight attendant who she was. She was not in uniform and all that. And he said something to her. Apparently, she like threw him off and he got mad.
Looks like we're gonna be racing those two people. Oh, we beat them.
And that was it.
There were two people running by. And we thought we were doing a race. So I guess we won.
Union company. So to make it easier, they ask him, what do you want to do? Get down, what do you want to do? And he goes up. So, you know what? I'm done. If you were to take that over me, I'm done. So he took that, so, you know, he realized that the company saves face at all times. Yeah. They don't protect their employees at all. And that's the sad part about it. I don't know who this little girl is. Could he be wrong? Yes, he could. I don't know. I wasn't there to know what happened. But we have some flight attendants that they have an attitude. That makes it worse.
Yeah.
You know,
That's like gasoline on the fire.
Here with my dad.
that is a dilemma we have. So I think he was burned
This
out.
is gonna be the most epic ride all the way. All the way from D&D to
Correct. And unfortunately that happened. And,
You are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal B. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la Terminal A. agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su
That's
próxima parada
nice.
es la terminal B.
Alright.
Please go to bed.
You know what'll be cool? I'll watch the train leave. Well, maybe. I just don't want to waste the memory on my phone camera. Okay, there goes the train. Alright, there it goes.
You are at Terminal
Might need to stop the video at some point around.
Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Alright,
Usted
I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right.
Terminal A. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su
I'm gonna stop
próxima
it right
parada
here.
es la